The water's fine. Hello everybody. I'm thrilled you're joining me. Today we're diving into the Mediterranean's best summer escapes. Sun, sea, and unforgettable food. Picture yourself on a golden beach, gentle waves, a cool drink in hand, surrounded by postcard perfect views. We'll explore 5 incredible destinations, from Spain's rhythms to Croatia's crystal waters. Grab your sunglasses. Let's dive into the Mediterranean dream. First stop, Spain's Costa del Sol. The coast of the sun is pure magic, brilliant blue skies, sparkling sea, and towns like Marbella and Neria, where whitewashed buildings meet golden sand. Wander narrow streets, discover hidden courtyards, and relax on sun-soaked beaches. As evening falls, flamenco fills the air, passion, music, and dance in every corner. And the food? Tapas. Hop from bar to bar, sharing plates of jamón ibérico, patatas bravas, and sizzling gambas al ajillo. Every bite is a celebration, every moment shared with friends. This is Spain, vibrant, soulful, and delicious. The Costa del Sol isn't just a destination, it's a way of life. Here you savor every sunset, every meal, every laugh. It's about connection, joy, and living in the moment. Whether you're lounging on the sand or dancing in a hidden bar, you're part of the story. Spain invites you to slow down, soak it in, and fall in love with life. Welcome to the good life. Next, we sail east to Croatia's Adriatic coast. The water here is impossibly blue. Turquoise shallows, sapphire depths, and islands waiting to be explored. Island hop to Hvar's lavender fields or Korčula's vineyards, or find a secluded cove and dive in. Dubrovnik's Old Town is a living postcard. Medieval walls, terracotta roofs, and endless sea views. Every alleyway holds a secret, every stone tells a story. The culture blends Slavic heart with Mediterranean soul. Dine by the water on freshly grilled fish, drizzled with local olive oil, paired with crisp white wine. It's simple, elegant, and unforgettable. Croatia is freedom, adventure on the sea, history in the streets, and flavor in every meal. Here you don't just visit, you belong. The Adriatic calls you to explore, taste, and dream. Let Croatia's beauty sweep you away. This is the symphony of blue and stone. Now, to Italy's Riviera, pure romance, pure poetry. The Cinque Terre, 5 cliffside villages, each a burst of color against the Ligurian Sea. Hike between them, surrounded by vineyards and lemon groves, or see them from a boat for a view you'll never forget. Portofino awaits with its chic harbor and classic Italian glamour. Sip espresso, watch the world go by, and savor the sweet life. The food? Fresh pesto on trophy pasta frito misto by the harbor sea bass with olives. Every meal is a celebration of simplicity and joy. Italy is about living beautifully slow mornings, long lunches, and sunsets that linger. Here, every moment feels cinematic. The Riviera is La Dolce Vita in full color. Come taste happiness. Next, the Greek islands, where myth meets summer magic. Santorini's sunsets from Oia are legendary, orange, pink, and purple skies over blue-domed churches. Explore Crete's mountains and ruins, Mykonos's lively beaches, or find a quiet cove on Folegandros. Rent a scooter, chase the wind, and discover hidden gems. Greek hospitality is unmatched. Warm welcomes, local wine, and village festivals where everyone dances. Feast at a seaside taverna. Greek salad, grilled octopus, tzatziki, and laughter. Here you're not a tourist, you're family. The islands invite you to slow down, connect, and celebrate life. Every day is a postcard come to life. Greece is pure wonder waiting for you. Live the legend. Our final stop, Portugal's wild Atlantic coast. The Algarve's golden beaches and dramatic cliffs are a paradise for sun-seekers and adventurers. Kayak through sea caves, surf legendary waves, or simply breathe in the ocean air. Up the coast, Lisbon's surf spots and laid-back vibe welcome all. The food is a revelation. Seafood cataplana, grilled sardines, and warm pastel de nata for dessert. Every meal is a taste of the Atlantic. Portugal is soulful, untamed, and endlessly inviting. Here you find peace in the waves and joy in every bite. The coast is a place to reflect, recharge, and celebrate the simple pleasures. From sunrise to sunset, Portugal's spirit shines. This is the perfect ending to our journey. Come feel the Atlantic soul. And just like that, our Mediterranean adventure ends. From Spanish tapas to Greek sunsets, these places fill you with joy and wonder. I hope you're inspired to plan your own escape. Let me know your dream destination in the comments. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more journeys. Until next time, keep exploring.